Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we're unboxing a vacuum. So this is a vacuum from Black & Decker. It's called the 3-in-1 Lightweight Stick Vacuum. So this has swivel steering and versatile cleaning, which is cool. And then on the other side it shows this is a 3-in-1 easy convention to hand vacuum. It has a multi-purpose versatility. It has swivel steering so you can easily turn it whichever way you want. It's easy to use and it has versatile cleaning. It keeps saying that. Yeah, so let's get this box open and see what's inside. Wow. So I did order this online. They did not ship it with like an outside cardboard box, this is from Amazon. I suppose that's okay because it's a vacuum. I mean, not really okay, but it's okay. I don't know. Depends on what you feel like. Alright, so here's the front. Seems pretty cool. Let's look at this. So this is actually pretty small. I just realized. This is really, really small. And we have the plastic wheels. And that's how it looks like inside. So this is actually fairly small. I believe it's smaller than a ruler, I think. So yeah. And then we have the actual thing here. There's a manual, blah blah blah. Vacuum stick. And the other attachment. Okay. So everything was nicely layered in there. I did not expect it to fit in there, but that's cool that it did. Careful. So here's the stick. It seems pretty high quality. It doesn't bend. Like, it's not like the best of quality. It can obviously be better, but it's not that bad. It's actually pretty good. And then we have whatever this is here. This sort of rotates, I think. Yeah, it does rotate. I don't know what that is. Alright. Alright, so this is the handhold part. You could sort of hold it into your hand and you could clean up whatever part you want. But this is also the main compartment where all of the dust goes in and everything. So hopefully this will be good. And over here this cable is actually surprisingly long, which is good, so you can go far away from where the actual plug is. This is huge. Okay, that is massive. That's like 3 times bigger than the actual vacuum. Alright. Now, how will this work? This will go here. Okay. Now what? No. I put it the wrong way. Okay, that will go there. There's the swivel steering, so it does the swivel thing, whatever it is. That sort of locks on. It'll stand on its own as well. And then, how does a handle go up there? Interesting. So how would oh, of course. I should do this first. How does this work? This goes in, I believe it's this way, right? Which way does it look? The handle is that way, okay. So this will go in like this. Okay, so that just locks on. So this is like a lock. So that'll just lock it on and hold it in place. And then over here we have this little guy. I should get this off the table before anything happens. It's a very small cleaner though. That is kind of odd. And then this seems, so whenever you like take this off and then you want to like vacuum with just this, but you want to go into your tight spaces, there's also that as well, which is pretty cool. Is in here? No, I'm just being ridiculous. Alright. I want to show the whole thing, so let me get rid of, so I'm going to try to, so here's what it looks like. It's a pretty small thing here. That's the actual body, there's this sort of filter thing in here. I don't know what that is. Maybe you have to buy filter replacements or something. And then there's the stick. And that's where I believe you put the wire on just to hook it up. So, yeah, pretty cool. So let's just see how it works. So, yeah. Over here we have this quick release button. It'll basically release the thing and you can lock it back on. Over here there's this power switch. So whenever you turn it on, you flick it and you do whatever you do. And then we have, what should I say, a dust latch release thing. So when you open this, you can basically take this out and you take out the filter and then you dump out whatever you have inside. Make sure the filters are clean every once in a while, and there's also a filter for the motor down here, which is, yeah. So that's cool. And then over here, I'm not really a huge fan of this. This is kind of plasticky and finicky, but it's cool, I guess. And then there's a flap in there that opens in and out and bringing all the dust in. So let's just test this out with without the actual vacuum itself. Okay, so it actually picks it up pretty easily and nicely, so that's cool. Okay, so in summary, I'm not really a huge fan of this because it's not that good for heavy carpets or large areas. So that's kind of sad about it. And it has a very small hold-up area, so it can get clogged up pretty quickly if you clean up an entire house, and then you'd have to keep cleaning it over and over again. So I wouldn't really recommend it for that. I would mainly recommend it for things like the wood surfaces and like smaller rugs. And this doesn't really make sense to me. That looks really good, but you wish it did that. It's not even that good. It's just like advertising material. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. I'm Ibi, and also don't forget to check out my merch and the product link in the description down below. And also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.